Usually when you get on a bike, you move forwards. It's what everyone just tends to do. It's what bikes are for. But you're watching Daniel the Hardtailer, so take your protein pills and put your helmet on, as we're doing something different today. And it's called track standing. Track standing is when you stay in one place on your bike while moving forwards and backwards only slightly in order to maintain your balance. To many, track standing may seem like this impossible task which is impossible. But we're going to remove the M from impossible today. To start learning, try moving at a slow pace and then lock up your brakes. Stay in one place for as long as you can before moving forward again and then repeating the whole process. Remember that your objective is to make each stop longer than the previous one. Once you've become good at this, try doing it without moving at all. Pedal forward slightly and then hold your brake. After that, just lurch backwards and let go of your brakes. The bike will follow you. This can be repeated over and over. Yes, this is where everyone will have trouble starting out, but with practice, you can actually make your track stands shockingly long. You can even use one brake lever and use your other hand to show off or something. And remember that standing up can make a huge difference between balancing and not balancing. So now you may think, gee, thanks Daniel, you taught me how to waste a lot of time and make the ground even flatter in the process. But there are many reasons that make this technique actually worth learning. You can use it when you want a better start for a race. While everyone else is putting up their legs, you will already be a meter ahead. You can also use it to win slow cycling races. You don't have to worry about losing, as your chances of losing are literally an absolute zero. Anyway, that's it. If you have any ideas for my next video, feel free to tell me about them in the comment section below right now. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed today's ride, and I'll see you on the next one.